Hello students, I am your English teacher Sangeeta. Today we are going to do the first chapter of our English reader book, A True Friend. But before that, I must ask you one question. Have you ever cheated anybody? No? That's very good. If yes, you must know what happened if we cheat a near or a dear one. Let's start the chapter. Rahul and Raj were best friends studying in class 4. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. Means he was not good in studies. Whereas Raj was good at both. Means he was good in sports and good in studies also. They often had a cycling contest. And you know who used to win? Yes, Raj always managed to win. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. The sports day came. Everyone was busy in practice. This time, Rahul was determined to win. But he was not sure whether he could win over Raj. Slowly, he started talking lesser and lesser with Raj. Just one day before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground and dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. Then the race started. Initially, Raj was ahead of Rahul, but you know what happened? Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. Very bad happened to Raj. And who do you think is responsible for this? Yes, Rahul was responsible for this condition of Raj. Rahul was very happy as his plan had worked and he had won the first prize. He took the trophy home. His parents were very happy. His friends were proud of him. But now Rahul was not happy. He started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy as he had cheated and hurt his best friend. He could not sleep properly that night. Next morning, he went to the principal's room. He admitted that he had dug the pit in which Raj had fallen down. The principal appreciated him as he had realized his fault and asked him to confess this to Raj and to promise not to betray him again. The principal asked him to study hard and secure good marks like his friend Raj. And after that, Rahul went to Raj and apologized to him from the core of his heart. Raj, as he was a good boy, forgave him and agreed to be friends with him again. After some days, a class test was held and Rahul gave a very poor performance. He managed to score very less marks. His principal warned him if he did not perform well in the term and examination, he would be punished. Rahul was ashamed of himself and cried bitterly. Raj came to him and consoled him and asked him to work hard. Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. Then the result was announced. Everyone was surprised to see that Rahul had not only topped but had beaten Raj also. Raj was the first one to congratulate him. Indeed, it was the happiest day of his life. He thanked Raj. The principal was also very happy. Rahul and Raj remained two friends ever after. Now, tell me students what you learned from this story. Yes, we should not cheat anybody, and fair participation is more important than winning the race. This much for today. Again, I will come with another video. Till then, bye-bye.